thought we had forever, guess forever had an ending. I gave you my trust, gave you all of my time, put your name in my future, you were part of my mind. Now I'm stuck with the questions I don't wanna ask. How'd you turn into someone who could leave me that fast? I replay every moment, every word that you said, trying to find where it changed, trying to clear my head. You were holding my hand, now you're holding someone else's. Funny how the person you love can become somebody else's. I don't hate you, I hate that I still care. Seeing your picture and pretending you're not there. Everybody says move on like it's easy to do. They don't know I'm still fighting every memory of you. You moved on so fast, I couldn't keep up. You closed that door, I was still waking up. You moved on so fast, I was stuck in the past, trying to hold on to something I knew couldn't last. You found somebody new while I'm learning to breathe. You let go of us, but you didn't let go of me. You moved on so fast. Tell me, how did you do it? How'd you erase everything like we never went through it? Maybe someday I'll finally stop looking back, but tonight I'm still living with the love that we had. I don't wanna call, I don't wanna chase. Your memory shows up in the quietest place. Every song hits different, every night feels long. I keep writing these words just to prove I moved on. Maybe I made you my world, it's the part I regret. Cause when you walked away, I had nothing left. Now I'm building myself from the pieces you broke, turning every bad memory into something I wrote. And I know you don't owe me another goodbye. I know people change, I know feelings can die. So I'll stop asking questions that you won't answer back, and I'll learn how to walk without looking back. Maybe you were a chapter, not the whole story. Maybe losing you wasn't losing me. You moved on so fast, I was stuck in the past, but I'm finally learning and nothing can last. You found somebody new, and that's okay. I'm finding myself.